So, 17th question, we are going to borrow some details from the 16th question. So, the question looks very close. The sum of odd terms and sum of even terms in x plus a power n are p and q respectively. The question is, what is p square plus q square? So, once we write the expansion of x plus a power n, so odd terms are written, even terms are written. Okay. Now, how to find p square plus q square? Now, to find p square plus q square, what we will do is, we will use a simple formula from algebra. P square plus q square can be written as p plus q the whole square plus p minus q the whole square divided by 2. You can see that if you simplify this, you are going to get p square plus q square itself. A plus b whole square, a minus b square whole square by 2 is always a square plus b square. Okay. Now, what we will do is, we will find p plus q. In fact, that is also found out in the question number 16 itself. Suppose you do p plus q, what will happen is, you are going to add this with this. So, you will get x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a cube, etc. And if you look at this expression, it is exactly equal to this expression, which is x plus a power n. So, this is nothing but x plus a power n. Now, if you try to do p minus q, if you do this minus this, so you will get x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a cube minus nc3 x power n minus 3 a cube, etc. And if you look at this expression, this is exactly like this expression, but the thing is, it is alternating positive and negative. So, if this is called x plus a power n, alternating positive and negative should be called x minus a power n, according to the rule of binomial theorem. Okay. Now, what I will do is, I will substitute this here. So, therefore, this is p plus q whole square. So, square of this. So, it is x plus a power n whole square plus p minus q here x minus a power n whole square divided by 2, and here you are going to get this as x plus a power 2n plus x minus a power 2n divided by 2. So, therefore, this is the answer for this question, x plus a power 2n plus x minus a power 2n divided by